my boy Mark. All right, tell us who you are and what you got real quick.
My name's Mark Schroeder. I got 3 Hutchinson ETA 12s on 2 2400 Wolfram strap, clamping just under 3K on them.
Nice.
Got a CES 80 for the battery, a Brand X 250 volt, and I got some Hutchinson and eyes in the door at the moment. That's it.
Nice. Let's check it out. Let's get us a demo real quick. All right. Let me get a demo of this vehicle real quick.
Fuse, base, shadow.
Man, appreciate the demo, man. That thing's getting down. It sounds really nice.
Get down real good for 3K, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I piss a lot of people off because I meet them pretty damn high with them.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
I'm a 52 at the headrest plus, and I haven't ever gone full tilt on the knob. So
nice, very nice. It's getting down. Appreciate the demo.
Thank you very much,
man.
man. Thanks for coming over.
Yep.